I've been trying to use traditional molding techniques for concrete, fiberglass molds, steel molds, sand molds. You can't get the complexity, you can't get that organic variety that natural reefs have. The 3D printer allows us to print an incredible range of different organic, natural-looking shapes. We developed the 3D file, and then the printing process can take a few hours or more depending on how big the units are. Instead of using plastic, we're using sand, one of the most natural materials you could ever use. This is revolutionizing. This is definitely the way of the future. As a species, we need to learn to build better with nature. We need to learn to build in a way that is more sustainable and works with nature. And 3D printing allows us to get closer to that goal.